In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open your project in BandLab and add EQ and compression to a track. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating to your music, getting into the studio, and polishing your sound with two essential effects. First, go to BandLab. You can do this in a web browser or through the BandLab app. If you're on the web, type the BandLab address in your browser. If you're on mobile, open the app from your device. Next, log into BandLab using your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your home area. From here, head to your library. This is where all of your songs, sketches, and collaborations live, neatly organized so you can pick up right where you left off. Open your project from the library. Choose the song or session you want to work on, and give it a moment to load. You'll see a summary of the project with its tracks and any notes you've added. Now click on Studio. Studio is BandLab's workspace where recording, editing, mixing, and effects all happen. When Studio opens, you'll see your tracks laid out in a timeline with controls for each one. Select your track. Click the specific track you want to enhance, whether that's vocals, guitar, drums, or a synth. Selecting the track ensures any changes or effects you add apply to the right place, not the whole project. You can add effects such as EQ. EQ, or equalization, shapes the tone of your track. Use it to reduce muddiness, tame harshness, or bring clarity forward. For vocals, you might gently reduce low rumble and highlight presence in the upper mid-range. For guitars, clean up low-end buildup and soften any sharp frequencies. Subtle moves, small cuts, and boosts usually sound more natural and keep your mix balanced. You can also use compressor effects. A compressor evens out volume so the loud parts and quiet parts sit closer together, creating a more controlled, professional sound. Start with moderate settings. A reasonable threshold so it only works when the signal gets louder, a gentle ratio to avoid squashing the life out of the performance, and attack and release times that feel musical for the track. Adjust until the track feels steady and present without sounding squeezed. As you work, listen on reliable speakers or headphones and make changes gradually. Keep your ear on clarity and balance, and remember that EQ and compression are most powerful when used with intention. That's it. You've navigated to your project in BandLab, opened the studio, selected your track, and enhanced it with EQ and compression.